Custom pre-wired Chrysler, Dodge brake control harness. O.E.M style wire harness. Reduces possible short circuits and cross-wiring of brake controls. Quick and easy plug-in style. Brake Control O.E.M style wire harness are designed for models equipped with trailer tow package. The quick and easy plug-in style connections reduces possible short circuits and cross-wiring of brake controls. This custom pre-wired brake control harness will mate directly between your vehicle and several Reese Towpower brake controls. To be used with the following vehicles: 2007 to 2009 Aspen with factory tow package, 1997 to 2011 Dakota Pickup with factory tow package, 1998 to 2009 Durango with factory tow package, 1995 to 2009 Pickup, Ram, full-size 1500 only, all models, 1995 to 2009 Pickup, Ram, full-size 2500 only, all models, 1995 to 2009 Pickup, Ram, full-size 3500 only, all models. Top reviews from the United States. Clicked right in. 2007 Dodge Ram Quad Cab. Was switching vehicles and used my existing tow brake controller and bought a new harness for it. Works exactly as it should. Plugged right in under the dash behind the e-brake.